I've got a very special person to show us around the room.
Well, I wasn't expecting company, come on in.
Salam alaikum people, or hello from Marrakech, Morocco. I'm going to be showing you around my riad today, which costs approximately $100 per night, which is a good deal. Behind me there is a cute little cat, which you'll see all over Morocco. So, what is a riad? So a riad is a traditional Arab home, and basically there's a hole in the center of the riad. The hole is currently closed up here, as you can see, because it's a bit windy and rainy and cloudy. But anyway, so why is the riad designed that way? So, it's traditionally designed for cooling and also for privacy. And traditionally, it was for the wealthy people. But they have converted them into guest homes. So that's why I'm staying in one. So I'll show you the hole in the middle now, but it looks amazing. So ours has a green pool at the bottom, as you can see there, currently laid out for dinner. So they serve breakfast in this one, included in the price of $100. Put the breakfast on screen now, but basically it was a lot of bread, fruit juice and coffee and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is the inside of the riad. I've just crossed over into the other building that is owned by the same hotel. As you can see, it's a similar style. No water in this one, unfortunately, but this is where mine and Georgie's room is. So we're staying in a junior suite, and the cost of that, as I've already said, is $100 US, which is a quite expensive of a price to stay in a riad. They can go as little as, I don't know, maybe $40 per night, but we're staying in one for 100. I'm gonna go up to the roof of this one so I can show you how they differ. Actually, I'll just stay on this level. But basically, as you can see, this one also has the hole in the roof, boarded up because of the wind. And then I'm at the bottom, a nice little space designed for cooling and privacy, as I've previously said. Anyway, I'm gonna go back down and show you our room now. So then guys, time for the actual room tour itself. But first, before we jump in, you might be wondering what I'm wearing. I'm wearing the traditional Moroccan dress, which is called a jalaba. If you want to see more information on that, check out some of my previous videos where I go on a pretty chaotic and crazy market hunt. But I get this for a pretty good deal. I'd say a Moroccan price or an Arab price. What the locals kept on saying. They were saying, oh yeah, that's an amazing price. I don't know. If you want to give your opinion on the prices, go and comment on that video. But now, the room tour. And I've got a very special person to show us around the room.
Come on, I wasn't expecting company, come on in.
Hello, Georgie.
Go on in.
So,
make yourself at home.
This is the room, guys.
Yep, so this is the junior suite. Not sure what is better, what's worse, but there does seem to be bigger rooms for families.
True.
Anyhow, yes. This is the lovely bed. Very comfy, very soft.
It is a good bed, to be fair.
Yes, we've had a few naps in there.
Yeah,
would like to note on the lack of lamps.
True,
but,
there is no lamps actually.
But the light switches are here. So
yeah,
it's
that's
like,
good.
You don't have to get out of bed, but it's like...
Yeah, that's good, but it is a bit dim. It's a bit too dim for me, anyway.
Yeah, come through.
Okay.
So 2 windows in this room anyway.
Double windowed.
Yep, so it's good they've got this because I'd probably just jump out otherwise.
True.
But yeah, down to the street. So that's,
the little alleyways, as you can see there.
So that's really nice. So you can kind of poke your head out, see kind of what the weather's like before you go out.
That's a good point. I didn't think of that.
Chairs, table, extra bed.
How about the indoor windows, George?
Okay, well I was going to get to that if I was doing the tour.
Okay.
If you head outside.
Will I be able to see you?
Maybe.
Okay. Let's see. Where is she? Hello.
Hello. It's very high up, so I won't be getting any closer.
You can say hi to the neighbours.
Yeah, good. Bit of a safety hazard.
True. Yeah, that's true.
Like,
maybe
I could
if you're on the top floor.
Literally get out if I really wanted to. I mean, I won't, but I could.
Okay.
And also there's the balcony, obviously.
True, that would be nice if the sun was beaming through.
It would, yeah.
My favourite part of the room, anyway.
Come on in.
Bit brighter in here.
Yep. So, come on. I won't bite, come on. Right, shower, which is good because the other riad that we were staying in didn't have this, it was just a...
Yeah, it wasn't sunken in, was it?
Yeah, it wasn't even... Sometimes you get a wet room and it kind of dips down.
Yeah, true.
Slightly, but there was absolutely no... So there was water going everywhere. water does still go everywhere, even with this, but what can you do? Could have put a shower curtain in, maybe?
Well, they have provided 5 bath mats. So
that's true,
good.
they know. They know the score.
They know the issue, yeah.
Yeah, but the shower was really good, hot, powerful.
Yeah, true.
Whatever you like, but
shower was good.
Also, I like the lights.
I do like the lights. I thought at first they were like just holes in the roof, but obviously we're on the middle floor, so that's not right.
But it's quite cool.
It is quite cool, yeah.
Max seems to really like this thing.
Yeah, this is my favourite part. Gold-plated sink.
But I really like the tiles, like the mirror, just like the gold.
True, yeah, the traditional decoration, like the mirror's
good.
nice.
You can just pop your stuff in there. They provided shampoo and conditioner as well.
That's a bonus.
I think maybe it's body wash, I don't know. Anyway, toilet, which is
standard.
Separate with the shower, which is nice. Yep, anyhow. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to say.
That is pretty much it. Do you think it's worth it, George? The $100 that we paid.
I don't know. I mean, obviously, I don't really know what the range is. Like, I don't know what the average price is for a riad. But this was more expensive than the one we stayed in before. True, that's and it is nicer, but like the other one was also fine. True, but the breakfast. Did you like the breakfast? It was alright. It was a bit of bread. It was okay. Yogurt. The yogurt was nice, but I mean, store bought. I don't know. Yeah, standard. It was nice. It was nice to have like a coffee, juice, that kind of. It was nice, but I mean. That is it, guys. Yeah. So like, subscribe. Let us know if you think that this room is worth $100 a night. I do, and I don't. Maybe in the peak season, it might be worth that, but I don't know. Probably I think more $100, expensive than the peak season. Well, true. That is a good point. I think $100 elsewhere in the world. Obviously, you could get a bit more for your money. But anyway, that's it, guys. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye. Goodbye.